Sai Ram children, welcome to online session. Identify these pictures. First one is a ball. Second one, umbrella. Third one, sun. And how we say a ball, an umbrella. It is a ball, an umbrella. The sun. The sun. So a and the are called articles. A and the are called articles. Today we will learn more about articles in chapter number 2. So today we learn about articles. Before starting with, let's revise vowels. Now what are vowels? That is A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels. And consonants are B, C, D, F, G. So in English language we have how many alphabets? 26. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. 5. These are alphabets vowels. So remaining 21 are consonants. B, C, D, F, G, etc. Okay. Now where we have to use A? A is used before a word beginning with a consonant. And we have seen which are consonants B, C, D. So A is used before a word beginning with a consonant. For example, a girl. A girl is beginning with G. First letter is G. And G is consonant. So we say a girl. Boy, a boy. B. B for boy. So that is B. B is consonant. So a boy. Mango. A mango. Now we also have to keep in mind words beginning with a consonant sound. Let's see what's consonant sound. Now before vowels which have the sound U. For example, a uniform. Now uniform is beginning with U. U is a vowel, but when you pronounce it, it is Y, U. So Y is vowel. So it is a uniform. We use a, not an, a uniform. Similarly, unit is beginning with U, but U is vowel, but when you pronounce it, it is Y, unit. And university. University, similarly, U, beginning with vowel U, but sound is Y, U. So these are the words where consonant sound. So whenever we use A, we have to see that consonant sound. And also with the word beginning with 1, that is before the word 1. Now 1 is beginning with O. O-N-E, 1. O is a vowel, but when you pronounce O-N-E, 1, the sound is W. A W is consonant. So what we say? A one-eyed man. A one-way street. So even we say a 100 rupee. A 100 rupee note. So A is used before the words beginning with consonant or consonant sound. Though it is beginning with vowel U, O, but when you pronounce it, the sound is consonant sound. Now, an. Where we use an? Before the words beginning with a vowel. For example, an orange. Orange is beginning with O. O is a vowel. So we say an orange. An egg. An owl. So the words beginning with vowel we use an. Even before a word beginning with a vowel sound. For example, an R. Now it is beginning with H. H-O-U-R. R. H is silent here. H is consonant. But while pronouncing, H is silent. So N R. R is a, that is a sound. So N R. We use N. Similarly, an honest man. An honest spelling is Honest, but H is silent. So honest, O sound. We use an. Similarly, an honorable man. So we have to keep in mind that an is used before a vowel or vowel sound where first letter is silent. Now next article is the, where we use the to refer to a particular person. If we refer to a particular person, specific person or a thing, we use the. For example, the big house. It means I am referring to a particular house, a specific house. Then we say the big house. Or the tree fell down. So the tree, the school. So we use the article the if it is referring to a particular person or thing. Also we have to keep in mind where we use the article the for names of rivers, oceans, gulfs, mountain ranges, islands. Now for rivers, names of rivers, we use the Ganges, the Yamuna, the Godavari, the Narmada. So if you are referring to the names of rivers, with the names of rivers, we use the article the. For oceans, we say the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. So with the names of the oceans, we use the. Even for gulfs, the Bay of Bengal. The Bay of Bengal is a gulf. So with the names of gulfs, oceans, we use the article the. Even for islands, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So we use the article the Lakshadweep, the Andaman Nicobar Islands. So the name of islands we use the. And even for mountain ranges, the Aravalis, the Himalayas. If we are using the name that is the mountain ranges, we use the article the Himalayas, the Satpuras, the Aravalis. So the article the is used with the names of rivers, oceans, gulfs, mountain ranges, sacred books, that is holy books, or newspapers. We say the Bhagavad Gita. Now we know the Bhagavad Gita is a sacred book of Hindus. The Bible is a sacred book of Christians. So we say the Bible, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita, that is for sacred books. For newspapers, we use the Times of India, the Hindustan Times, the Navbharat Times, the Indian Express. So we use the article the. So we use the article the for name of rivers, oceans, gulfs, mountain ranges, islands, sacred books, newspapers. The is also used with the names of directions. You know there are 4 main directions. Which are they? That is east, west, north, south. So what we say? The east, the west, the north, the south. So with the names of the directions, that is we use the east, the west, the north, the south. Even certain regions or nations. That is, if we say the United States of America, we use the article the USA. That is the United States of America. Even the Indians, the Japanese. The is also used with superlative degree. Now you know there are 3 degrees of comparison. Which are they? Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Like tall, taller, tallest. As tall as, taller than, the tallest. So with the superlative degree, we use the article the. Tina is the tallest girl in the class. The shortest boy. So with the superlative degree, we use the article the. Even offices or titles. For example, President of India. So we say the President of India. The Prime Minister of India. You know who is the Prime Minister of India? Yes, who is he? He is Shri Narendra Modi ji. So the President of India. The Secretary of the United Nations. So the office's title, the article the is used. Now we have to keep in mind where the is not used. The is not used. Where the is not used? The is not used in the names of persons. If you are referring to names of persons, for pronoun, for persons, like Tina, we don't use the article the Tina, the Raj. We say Tina, Raj. So the is not used. The is not used with the names of towns or cities. Agra, Delhi, Lucknow. So we use the is not used. So the is not used with the names of persons, names of towns, mountain peaks. For example, Mount Abu, Mount Everest. So the is not used. The is used with mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Satpuras. But with mountain peaks, we say Mount Abu, Mount Everest. The is not used. The is not used with the names of streets. With the names of streets, the is not used. Like we say Veer Savarkar Marg, Mahatma Gandhi Road. The is not used. The is not used with the days of the week. How many days of the week are there? Are there 7. Which are they? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So the is not used with the days of the week. Or the is not used with the months of the year. January, February, March. The is not used. The is not used with the names of metals or that is materials. For example, gold, diamonds, silver, copper. The is not used. So we have seen where the is not used. So at a glance, which are the articles? A and the. These are the articles A and the. Now where A is used with a consonant sound. For example, a man, a bag, a fan. So with the consonant sound. If it is unit, we say a unit. Now an is used before a vowel. Vowel sound. Like an owl, an egg, an umbrella. So an is used. And the is used for a specific person or thing, a particular person or the thing of his own kind. We say the Bible, the thing of his own kind, like the sun, the moon, etc. So we have studied a and the and where they are used. A and n are used for singular and the is used for both singular and plurals. Now here is a small activity. So I hope you all are ready with your study material, book and pen or pencil. So now what you will do? Just write only answers. First we will write only answers and you check. Then we will write full sentences. Okay, so you all are ready? First one. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. We have seen the articles. Which are they? A and the. Now first one. Dash children are eating apples. Dash children are eating apples. What you have to do? You have to write only answers. First one, write the answer. Second one, can you tell me how to get to dash school from here? Can you tell me how to get to dash school from here? Mother Teresa was dash Roman Catholic nun. Mother Teresa was a dash Roman Catholic nun. Fourth one, he is dash old friend of mine. He is dash old friend of mine. Fifth one, Seema is wearing dash red dress with blue shoes. Seema is wearing dash red dress with blue shoes. Now you know what you have to do? You have to write only answers. Sixth one. It is raining. You should take dash umbrella. It is raining. You should take dash umbrella. 7. The winning team received the silver cup. The winning team received dash silver cup. Hawaii is dash island in the Pacific Ocean. Hawaii is the dash island in the Pacific Ocean. Now check your answers. First one is dash children are eating apples. Answer is the, because we are talking about specific particular children and it is plural also. So we use the. Next is, can you tell me how to get to dash school from here? The, because I am asking about a particular school. So the school from here. Next one is, Mother Teresa was a dash Roman Catholic. It is a Roman Catholic. He is dash old friend of mine. So we are using it before word beginning with vowel old. So it is an old friend of mine. Seema is wearing dash red dress with blue shoes. Seema is wearing a red dress with blue shoes. Next. It is raining. You should take dash umbrella. It is raining. You should take an umbrella. Dash winning team received dash silver cup. Answer is the winning team received a silver cup. Hawaii is dash island in the Pacific Ocean. Hawaii is an island in the Pacific Ocean. So check your answers and find how many correct answers you got. And you understood where we are using? We are using A with the words before consonant or consonant sound. N is used before vowel, vowel sound. And the is used for specific or particular person, thing and all. And we have seen where the is used, the is not used. The is used with singular and plural both. But A and N are used only for singular. So here we will conclude our session and we will continue with the next activity in the next session. So till then, have a nice day. Take care of yourself.